Hey, this is Mark the Meerkat with Grok Trade in the Grok Day Trading Chat Room here with the trade of the day. And it was on the Digital World Acquisition Company, good old DWAC. That's right, that's that Trump media SPAC that they're trying to push there. And here we go. I had actually 5 trades on it today out of my 12 call trades this morning. And hey, I'm going to show you the last one that I had here. So here it had a double bottom down here, and here at around $53 here was the low a day. Started to run up here, had a couple of trades on the short side and the long side coming on this one. Here was a bull flag here. I did get in a long on this one, got a nice little trade on that. And then it was whack-a-moling around here, and then it was in a symmetrical triangle with the apex right at 64 even dollar amount. So I set up a long trade, and I would have put it here, and again, mentoring students know exactly why I'd want to put it right there. But it was just, this 65 had been acting as resistance here, 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 and here. So I put my order just above $65. If it were to break out, I wanted to get long on DWAC. And so let's see what happened next here. And boom, there it goes. Look at that. Boom! It just took off, and look at the volume. Unbelievable. So let's zoom in here. And again, I have a 1% attached stop. Is wherever I get in, exactly 1% behind. So at 64.73 is where my stop is, 1% behind. But the range of this one candle when it broke out here, whoops, was 4%. That's a 4%, over a 4% run there, and pull back a little bit. So I immediately had a half order ready to go. My rules say if it stalls, I'm going to take out half. And let's see what happened next here. And it was just basing up here above the 67. So it's setting above 67. I went ahead and I took out my half at 67.23 for 2.8% on the first half. Then my stop here, I changed the number of shares in it, and I pulled it up here just under the $66, and we'll see what happened next. And it's still staying above this area here, so I pulled my stop up here underneath $67 at around 66.72. 66.72 is my stop here, and it went up there, tagged the 68. That was the high of day, and look at that, it snapped right back down here and got me out at $66.61 for 1.9% on the second half. So let's quickly look at this trade. Symmetrical triangle, breakout with big volume, and went ahead and took out half when it stalled here. That's what my rules say to do. And then as it stayed above that 67 line, I pulled my stop closer and closer on the second half, and it stopped out. So that was total trade was for 2.3% in just 6 minutes. Hoo-ah, love it when that happens, right? This was just one of 5 trades I had on DWAC today. In fact, here was our trading from today. It goes up. One trade on DWAC. Here's another one that was for a short, another one for a short, another one for a long. But it was a very choppy day, and it wasn't until this trade number 9, that bull flag that I showed you, they get a 2.3 on that one, and then the last trade here of the day was 2.3% also on there, equal that on that symmetrical triangle that breakout. So for the day here, we were at a 66% success rate. Our actual reward risk ratio was only 1.8 to 1. And so we ended up with 7.3% on the day. Our target is 5%, so we are above target, not quite to our stretch goal. But we have had an incredible week here. Look at on Monday, we had 17% net, and then we had 9.5 yesterday, and today we're at 7.3. So for the week, we're already at 34% net for the week. Now, that's not of our portfolio. That would be of how much you invest in each trade, and we do the same dollar amount on each one. We have what we call a model portfolio, in which you would eventually work up to, you'd buy $10,000 worth of a stock and then adjust the number of shares to that $10,000. With a 1% attached stop, we're risking $100, but for every 1% we net to the positive would be $100. So we're already at around $3,400 of income for this week if you're trading the $10,000 lot size. Our target is 25%, 5% per day times 5, and 50% is our stretch goal. We have 2 more days to trade. Don't know if we'll make money tomorrow. Every day is a separate and unique trading event, but it certainly has a great start to this week. And we're already at 62% success rate, above our target there. Cool. Love it when that happens. This is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, just remember that if you trade like a reckless hero, you'll end up with zero. Trade safely, trade well, and may your winners run.